Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see data classification overview for protection and governance. Well, as a data compliance or governance administrator or a compliance administrator, you would have several capabilities that will help you evaluate and tag content within your organization. You have to understand what sensitive content exists today within your organization in terms of data landscape, and then you will be able to define labels and policies to protect and govern the data. There are various ways to do the discovery, evaluation, and tagging of content. And once you apply the label, it's important to evaluate how they are being used and what activity is occurring with this data. There are data classification solutions available. Okay. Data. The data classification solution helps you classify data and report on the results. It will help you to identify exposure and risk to inform policies that help you protect and govern your data. It will also include tools to manage two methods of classifying content, which is sensitive information types and trainable classifiers. Access to the solution is tightly controlled and special permissions are required for editing and viewing. I'll show you the options, which is an overview, content explorer, activity explorer, sensitive info types, and trainable classifiers. So if you want to get started with data classification, there is no configuration which is needed to start identifying and classify content containing any of the approximately 100 sensitive information type defined included in Microsoft Purview. Excuse me. It happens in the background without admin intervention, right? So the top sensitive info types card will automatically display a summary of the information discovered in the SharePoint Online, OneDrive, and Exchange. So if you would go to compliance.microsoft.com, let me just log on to the portal now. So I logged on to security.microsoft.com. If you would go to compliance, logging in. Welcome to the Microsoft Purview portal. And if you would now go to data classification here, as soon as you log in and you click on overview, so it says that no trainable classifiers data found, or no data found with sensitive information types, or no sensitivity labels detected, or no retention labels detected, activity or activity detected, locations, whatever, because this is my lab. But if you would come here and you click on overview, and you would have the look on the top sensitive info types card available here, and it would show the data classification overview as well. It would show the top sensitive info types, displaying the information about what it has already discovered, and the other cards may be blank with no retention labels or sensitivity labels because we have not configured it yet, or you in the prod would not have configured it yet. This is how you would see Now, if you want to classify data using sensitive info types, well, that is a different story altogether, because sensitive information types would used in Purview DLP policies, sensitivity labels, retention labels, insider risk management, communication compliance, auto labeling policies, and Microsoft Purview. Okay, so this is how I wanted to start about data classification, overview, and protection for protection and governance. We will work more on the classification of data with sensitive information types, with trainable classifiers, how to review sensitive information, and labeling, exploring the labeled and sensitive content as well. Okay, so I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.